This example 4 is something little bit harder when comparing with the previous examples, because you can able to see the same URL type pattern is using for the first 4 examples. Here the parameter called name is assigned with the value hacker, which is displaying as it is in the web content. So if we are changing the value, that will display as well as in the web content. But when we are trying to execute the solution of example 1, that is a script tagged with a function, you will see an error message. So here let's go and see the view page source. Here we can't able to see the HTML, that means the HTML tag, that means we cannot be able to see the full HTML part because of this error. So in order to avoid this one, let's we try the second solution by changing the case sensitive of the letters. This also having the same error. So then the third solution is changing the script pattern. That means here we have need to use a script within the script tag. That means we have need to initialize the script tag within another script tag in order to bypass the script removal by the PHP. So this also didn't work and it's prompting an error in the web content. So the basic idea we can able to get is, when we are seeing the source code, the balance part, that is the remaining part, before we can see here the hello also appeared here, but it is not appearing now and it's prompting an error, and it does not show the later part of the page source. The reason for this is the code is secured for the XSS attack. That means by using a PHP or some other validation mechanisms, the developer omitting the JavaScript functionality. That means in the web page URL we can't able to use any JavaScript payloads directly to have an XSS attack. So the solution we can find is a simple HTML tag, because this HTML tags is also having the attribute to have the JavaScript functions. For an example, when we are creating a form, there is an on-click action. We can define the function in the JavaScript as well. So for this, I am using an image tag with the on error message. Here I am inserting a image HTML tag. The image name is sample image. This is a sample thing I gave, and here the image attribute as on error. If there any error in referring to this image, this error wants to be happen as this function defined. So in this function it needs to be a JavaScript function. So it needs to be a JavaScript function, then we can write the JavaScript directly as we want. So here I am writing an alert, that means that saying you are at risk. So let's try this one. Yeah, you can see here it's working. The reason is the image tag, that's a normal HTML tag that's contain the attribute of on error, which can link a JavaScript function without creating a script. So let's see the source code of this one. Here you can see that is directly falling here. The thing what we gave is imgsrc sample image on error given alert like this one. So in previous cases we are just initializing the script tag and closing the script, and we are giving the functionalities, the payloads what we want as a normal regular JavaScript functions. So but here in example 4 we have need to create an external function which can link by a normal HTML tag in order to have an XSS attack.